good morning, and in this video I am going to demonstrate conductors and insulators to you, which will help you in knowing a particular substance whether it conducts electricity or not. Okay, for this I have taken few things with me, like I want to start with, first of all, with the solid substances that I have taken, and then the liquid portion, right? So I have taken you can see guava, lemon, potato, and orange. Okay, these are the few substances that I have taken to test whether they conduct electricity or not. If they will conduct electricity, it means that they are conductors. If they are allowing electric current to pass through them, then they are said to be, what, conductors. Okay, so I'm starting with lemon. You can see LED. I'm using LED because even if a small current, you can see, is it glowing? LED is glowing. It shows what? That lemon is a conductor of electricity. Okay, in case of guava also, you can see it's glowing, means conductor. And this is peeled potato. So what we need to do, is it conducting? Bulb is glowing, yes. LED is glowing, it shows that it is also a conductor. And this is orange. Okay, it is also showing that it is a conductor of electricity. Okay, now I have this foil, aluminium foil, and let me wipe it first, and we will see whether it is a conductor of electricity or not. See how you can see the difference in glow also, means a very good conductor. As I am using a metal, and we have studied that metals are good conductors of electricity, so you can see the difference in glow also. इसमें आपने देखा था difference? It is showing, अगर थोड़ा सा भी कंडक्शन होगा तो LED का बेनिफिट क्या है लेने का, कि it will start glowing. और इस केस में आप देखिए, you can see the difference. Okay. Even we can use other metals also. This key, it also shows that this key is made up of iron, and iron is a good conductor of electricity. And what I have, iron nail also we can use. We can test this also. Good conductor, right? And this is a silver ring. You can see silver is also very good conductor. Okay, we can take gold also. You can see that gold is also a very good conductor of electricity, whereas the diamonds that are present in this, I want to tell you that diamond is not a good conductor of electricity. Let me show you. You can see that diamond is not a good conductor. It is not conducting electricity. यहाँ जैसे ही मेरे गोल्ड से टच हुआ तो it has started glowing, you can see. Okay, लेकिन जहाँ मैं डायमंड को टच कर रही हूँ तो it is not conducting. Okay, now next thing that I want to show you is this is a leather strap. Okay, and if you want to see whether it is conductor or insulator, you can see LED is not glowing, it means it is an insulator. Diamond is also insulator. Okay, this leather is insulator. Okay, this is a tester. और जितने भी इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस होते हैं, आप उसमें देखेंगे कि जो आउटर कवरिंग होती है, दे आर बीइंग प्रोटेक्टेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ insulator, so that a person handling these equipments may safeguard himself or herself from electric shock. देखिए, It's not conducting electricity. It is the outer covering is body is made up of plastic, so LED is not glowing, insulator, right? But the moment I will touch this portion, you can see that it is glowing. Okay, now next is DP हम देख सकते हैं इसका डाई, whether it is conducting yes, good conductor, देख रहे हैं. So this is how we have tested few solid items. There are still many. Let us take this tissue paper and see, is it conducting electricity? No, no. तो इसमें आपको क्या करना है, आई हैव टेकन अ बैटरी, ओके, और कुछ भी ऐसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से रिलेटेड एक्सपेरिमेंट्स अपने हमेशा बड़ों को इन्वॉल्व करना चाहिए, अकेले नहीं करना चाहिए. बी वेरी मच you should safeguard yourself from the naked wires. उसमें हाथ नहीं लगाना है, ठीक है. और हमेशा किसी बड़े के साथ करिए. और अभी तो मैं बैटरी यूज़ कर रही हूँ, आप एक सेल भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, पेंसिल सेल. नाउ दिस इज़ अ करेक्शन टेप, और उसको मैं बॉडी बाहर की देख रही हूँ कि वेदर इट कंडक्ट्स. नो, बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑल्सो मेड अप ऑफ प्लास्टिक. आई हैव इरेजर, इरेजर को देख सकते हैं. So it is also not conducting electricity. Insulator, it means what? It is an insulator. Next thing, pencil. The body of the pencil is made up of wood, देख सकते हैं. तो wooden portion में कोई conduction नहीं है ना. So wood is a bad conductor. It is insulator in fact. और जहाँ हम पेंसिल लेड को टच करेंगे तो इट इज़ कंडक्टिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिकॉज इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ ग्रेफाइट पेंसिल लेड. और सुन के आप हैरान होंगे कि बोथ आर द फॉर्म्स ऑफ कार्बन, डायमंड एंड ग्रेफाइट. डायमंड इज इंसुलेटर वेयर इज ग्रेफाइट इज कंडक्टर. देख रहे हैं, इट इज़ अ कंडक्टर. नाउ लेट्स चेक ग्लास ऑल्सो, कि ग्लास इज इंसुलेटर और कंडक्टर. इंसुलेटर, राइट. Now let me check. I will take honey in the last. This is a salt solution. Okay, distilled water which is used in labs for performing experiments is actually what is does not conduct electricity. So what I have done, even normal water जो आप use करते हैं, it can conduct electricity, but to make it more conducting I have added what? Salt. Common salt जो घर में आप नमक खाते हैं वो मैंने ऐड किया है. And you can see that it is conducting electricity. You can see even bubbles also. देख इधर शो करिएगा, कुछ ये फिज सा दिख रहा है, इसमें बबल्स आते हुए दिख रहे हैं सोल्यूशन के अंदर. So it conducts electricity. Now next let me wipe it. Milk. Let's see milk whether it is, yes, it is also a conductor as it has lactic acid. देख रहे हैं आप, जितने भी एसिडिक सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं दे कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. अभी मैंने आपको गुआवा दिखाया, लेमन जूस दिखाया, तो या तो आयंस का मूवमेंट हो, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का मूवमेंट हो, वो चीज़ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करेगी, ठीक है. नाउ इट इज़ विनेगर एंड आई एम चेकिंग दिस. यस, विनेगर it also conducts electricity. वो भी क्या है? It is actually acetic acid in water, vinegar, diluted form. और ये है हमारा soap solution. Let us see कि ये conduct करेगा नहीं करेगा electricity. And हाँ, ये भी थोड़ा थोड़ा conduct कर रहा है electricity, है ना. Now I have oil. This is oil, and I think you will not see the LED glowing. It shows that it is insulator. It is not conducting electricity. और we have taken soap solution. अब एक ही और ले लेते हैं, हनी. honey is also okay, means bad conductor of electricity. Honey is also not showing any uh, LED is not glowing, so bad conductor, right? Bad conductor, or you could say insulator. कुछ चीज़ें कंडक्ट करती हैं बहुत ही लेस अमाउंट में, कुछ बहुत अच्छे से कंडक्ट करती हैं, दे आर वेरी गुड कंडक्टर्स, और कुछ बिल्कुल नहीं करती हैं, विच आर नोन एज इंसुलेटर्स. दोज सब्सटेंसेज विच डू नॉट कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एट ऑल, दे आर नोन एज इंसुलेटर्स. अब ये मैंने इलेक्ट्रिक सेल लिया था, ड्राई सेल, और उसका केमिकल ये निकाल दिया जिसमें कार्बन रॉड आपको थोड़ी सी टूट गई है, तो मैं ये दिखा रही हूँ आपको दैट केमिकल. ओके बेटा, तो इट इज़ ग्लोइंग, और ये जिंक से बनी हुई है इसकी आउटर बॉडी. यू कैन सी कितना अच्छा कंडक्टर है. इट्स ग्लोइंग. ओके, ये जो बाहर की कोटिंग है जिंक से बनी हुई है. सो जिंक इज़ अ मेटल and it also conducts electricity very well. So in this way you can make a table and you can write down the names of conductors, means those substances which allow electric current to pass through them, and those substances which you have seen in video which do not allow current to pass through them are insulators. So you can write down examples also in this manner.